Hello traders, today I am going to show you trade ideas. We can move to AVAX chart. You can see a bearish harami pattern. This is a candlestick pattern. This pattern is a bearish harami pattern and there is a bearish divergence. Therefore, I got the entry this level 25.38 and I put the stop loss my uh, this candle upper level and I got 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Actually, you can see not only that RSI bearish divergence and there is a volume bearish divergence. Market is going uptrend and volume is decrease. Not only that, there is a for rising wedge pattern. Rising and market was hitting the upper level in the rising wedge pattern. Not only that, there is a minor resistance. You can see there is a key area minor resistance. Therefore, I got the trade opportunity. This is not a financial advice. This is my entertainment and educational purposes. Now I'm going to show you next trade idea in the UNI USDT chart. Actually, UNI USDT chart there is a bearish divergence. For you can't see a bearish divergence this candlestick and now move to line chart. Actually, now you can see a bearish divergence. So not only that bearish divergence, now we can see a bearish engulfing pattern. Bearish engulfing pattern is a green candle and candle engulf the red candle body. There is a perfect bearish engulfing pattern. Not only that, previous I told you there is a volume bearish divergence. So now I am going to next trade idea and wait a minute. INJ chart. Now I am place the trade. Actually, you can see a clear bearish divergence, RSI bearish divergence, and there is a bearish engulfing pattern. This green candle was engulfed the red candle, and this is a major resistance area. You can see this point touch and many point touch this area. There is a huge resistance area. Not only that, there is a volume bearish divergence, and you can enter the 15.23 and you can stop loss 16.47 and I got the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio and my profit taking level is 13.39. Actually, I use 2x leverage for every my trades. You can enter the I am in the daily chart, therefore you can use 2x leverage. Next, we can move to the HBAR chart. So I am in the HBAR chart in the daily time frame, and there is a shorting opportunity because I'm not get this opportunity because I have already three trades in my account. You can see a bearish divergence and bearish engulfing pattern. Not only that, market market is going up and volume is going down. There is a volume bearish divergence. Therefore, you can go get this trade opportunity. Actually, I am not get this opportunity because I have already three trades. So I I I will give you next trade idea. It is TAO trade idea. I am in the daily time frame. Actually, we cannot clear daily time frame. I will go to 4 hour time frame. Actually, now you can see a head and shoulder pattern. The pattern is breakout and retest. Yes, pattern breakout and retest. So now you can enter this trade, and this is a shorting opportunity, and you can take the good stop loss in this right shoulder high, and you can put the take profit 1.5 1 to 1.5 this area. This is a TAO USDT chart. So I I conclusion my video. Please subscribe and share your friends. Please comment below. Thank you.